How's it going, guys? We're back once again. Today we're shooting another video in the installment of the series where we're kind of stretching up Gina's ears. I'm here with Gina, obviously, and she's at 4 gauge right now, and her ears are definitely ready to go up to that 2 gauge, and so we're gonna give it a shot. All right, so obviously the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove her existing plugs. So these ones kind of like threaded eyelets, so we're just gonna unscrew them here. All right, there's one. Turn your head this way, Gina, for me. All right, and there's two. So now that we have Gina's plugs out of her ears, we're gonna go ahead and give it a test and see if the 2 gauge plugs by themselves will just slide in. So I'm gonna take a plug here. Right now we have some single flare glass fronts. These are black single flare glass fronts or tacks, whatever you wanna call them. I have some lube on the back of my glove. I'm just gonna rub the back of that plug with that lube. And now we're gonna give her ear a test. Now that just slid in like nothing. And that's exactly what we want. That's how we know Gina's ears are ready for that 2 gauge. That's the most ideal, perfect stretch. There's no resistance whatsoever and the jewelry just slid in on its own. So now that I have the plug in, I'm gonna take an O-ring, I'm gonna put it on the back here, and we're done with that side. Now we're gonna go for round 2. Now hopefully, this side's gonna go in just as easy. I'm just gonna kind of mess around with it here. And I'm gonna barely put any pressure on it. And that went really easy. I barely pushed that in. And that is a perfect stretch right there. That is exactly what you're looking for when you stretch. Now sometimes it's not gonna go in that easy and that's fine, but that's the goal right there. Now we got that plug in, I'm gonna go and pop the O-ring on the back here. There it is. All right, guys, so there it was. We just bumped her up from 4 gauge to 2 gauge. Probably the easiest stretch we've done this entire video series. And that's perfect, that's ideal. I know in the beginning we were talking about going a size every month, but man, getting all our schedules together and trying to make this video series happen for you guys is really tough. Right now, I think we waited like 2 to 3 months, which is great. That's awesome. You know, there's nothing wrong with waiting longer. When stretching your ears, there's no rush whatsoever. So if you can wait a little bit longer, you're gonna get those easier stretches just like we just did right now. So thanks for watching, you guys. We're gonna try and give it a shot in 1 more month, fingers crossed, and we'll shoot for that 0 gauge. You know, hopefully your ears are ready. If not, you know, we always have that in-between size, the 1 gauge. But I'm feeling pretty confident with the 0 gauge, and I'm just excited to see what happens, and we'll give it a shot in a month. So thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you guys next time.